It's PC for free here with an unboxing of the Mionix Naos 3200. Now this is our high performance gaming mouse. Quickly like to say thank you to Meroncourt for shipping me to this to review. So first of all, let's have a look around the box. On the front you've just got a picture of the mouse, Mionix logo. Nothing really on the sides. On the back it's got the specifications really. And you've got the magnetic box opening here, so let's open it up. Just on here, some writing about a star has been born and how Naos is a star. But anyway, what you're interested in is the mouse, so let's open it up. So as you can see, you have the mouse itself, which I will of course review, and an installation and warranty guide. Also tells you to download some driver software from Mionix, and that's PC for free. Thanks for watching.